Are you dancing? You shake your butt? Can you tell Uncle Chris what does a deer say, William?
Shoot.
Don't shoot. Yep, that's what a deer says, isn't it? What do the Vikings do? Yeah, they get touchdown, don't they? What happens after the touchdown? Kick. Do they kick?
Mark.
What is this?
Car.
No, what is this?
Hammer.
Hammer, yep.
Oh.
Can you do your happy dance for Mama? Good job. You're such a ham.
Where would you be? Where would you be?
Can you say hi to Uncle Chris?
Picture.
He misses you.
Where is she? Chewy. Chewy.
Jody, yep. Yep. Is Auntie Jody going to have a baby? You're going to have cousin.
Chewy. Chewy.
Can you spin? You spin for Mama? You spin me. Okay, say bye-bye, Uncle Chris. Can you say bye? Oh, you showing him your hammer? Can you say bye?